Spring, now get the sugar.
I'm getting sugar, Lynn.
Put it
Try drinking out of the cup again and you're going all over.
I'm gonna... Okay, go. Alright, Lynn, you have to eat this piece of sugar. I mean, spoonful.
No, I can't. No, I can't. Come on. Dude, you can drink water right there. Look at that. It's sugar. I'm gonna throw up. I
got a plastic bag for you.
And a camera. Great. It's just sugar, come on.
There's a bag right beside you. There's You okay?
Mm-hmm.
That was... I sound like a freaking hyena.
Yo, this is like a 2-hour video.
It's actually 1 minute and 20 seconds. That was Sabrina's idea. Yo, you have water on your head, sweet cheeks.
I think your hiccups will be gone.
Oh my god, what if they are?
Dude, you better...
Are your hiccups gone? Yo. Yo, pick up the fucking spoon.
Dude. Why did you just dip your hand in the...
Okay.